In life, there are moments that move us, moments that remind us what truly matters. This was one of those moments. For years, they've stood side by side, virtually building a vision, fueling a movement that reaches across borders, beyond limits, and into hearts. But on this unforgettable day, something extraordinary happened. Three pillars of ONPASSIVE, our beloved CEO Mufareh, along with Marty, DeGarmo and Chris Johnson, stood together for the very first time in person. And where did it happen? Not in a conference room, not on a stage, but in a hospital room, proof that even in life's lowest places, God plants divine connections. If it weren't for Marty's hospitalization, this sacred meeting may still have waited. But sometimes, the detours of life lead us directly into destiny. It wasn't just a visit. It was a reminder that behind every message, every live stream, every global update are real people, with real heart, and a passion that cannot be shaken. In that room, there were no titles, just unity, brotherhood, gratitude, and the quiet understanding that this mission is bigger than all of us. So to Ash, to Marty, to Chris, thank you for reminding us what ONPASSIVE is truly built on. Love, purpose, humanity. The world may never forget this moment, and neither will we. Real people, real heart, real connection. We are grateful. We are united. We are ONPASSIVE.